How to recover permanently deleted text messages on Android. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can recover permanently deleted SMS or text on Android. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to need this application right here called Open Backup and Restore. I already have it, so I'm just simply going to open it up and set it up in front of you. Click on Get Started, allow the permissions, and then all you have to do is just set up a backup if you want to. Here you go. As you can see, it's telling us that we have this many call logs and this many messages. We'll just set up our backup either on our phone, on our OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive. You can choose whichever one you want. And once you've set up your Google account, all you have to do is just simply select a folder, give it a couple of seconds. It's going to scan your files. And over here, you can create a folder and then just simply click on use this folder, and then all you have to do is just simply click on save. And now once you've done that, just simply click on next. Now you can choose whether or not you want to save it weekly or daily. We'll just choose weekly, and then we'll click on backup now, and now we just wait for it to back up. Now once it's backed up, all you have to do is just simply go into the messaging app, and then you can just simply go ahead and click on select all. And now we'll just simply delete all of these messages. So I've deleted most of my messages. Now what we'll do is we'll come back over here, we'll click on restore, and over here we can just simply go ahead and restore from our Google Drive location. It'll scan the messages, and as you can see, we have would you like to restore, and then all it would do is just simply click on restore, wait for a couple of seconds for it to download, and once it's downloaded, our messages will be restored. And now we just simply click on, we'll just select this, set as default. So now it's restoring all the messages and calls. And once it's done, we are good to go. So that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you restore permanently deleted messages. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.